A little puddle going here I don't necessarily want. I can mop that up by drying the brush. Sops it right up. So I'm going to use this lavender and try to get that feeling there. Here's some blue. Oh, there's a little fin right there. Didn't see that before. I don't want this to run into the fish. I think we're dry enough. I don't really like that. So, maybe we'll get that out of there. I don't want to get a rind where the water overloads the paint. So I'm careful about not doing too much water on here. There's a little bit of a line, like lines with scales. So I can get a little bit of that feeling here. So we're going to go in and liven up some of those. If I were to put clear water on this, it likely would put a white rind, which I don't want. So I'm being kind of careful about that. And the rind is kind of like an orange peel. It gives it a rough edge. Generally not considered something you want to do in your water.